Welcome guys, good afternoon, good evening, happy new year to you. So we have these questions that we are supposed to continue. You remember last time we ended on questions, was it 17? Now we need to start from question 18. Okay, so I want us to go through these questions together. This is mathematics, Examinations Council of Zambia, grade 9, internal of 2024. So we have the first question here. How do we solve this question? Question 18. A is equal to 3, B is equals to negative 2. A is equals to 3, B is equals to negative 2. Now we want, this is substitution from the topic called algebra. So where there will be an A here, you need to be putting 3, B, you put negative 2, and then you get the answer. I hope you're getting that. So where there is an A here, what this is like AB plus B squared. You see? So our A is 3 multiplied by B, which is negative 2, plus, again, negative 2 squared. I hope you're with me, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be negative 6 plus 4. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, it is a positive 4. It is going to be a positive 4. Therefore, our answer will end up being a negative 2. I hope this is clearly explained and well understood. Okay? If you love and enjoy what we're doing, if you understand what we're doing and you'll be interested to learn with us, I'm going to share with you my contact numbers that you can get in touch with me on. So let me take you to question 19. In case you have a question, the best that you can do, it is easier to identify where maybe the teacher could make a mistake. By you pausing the video, you try and solve the question. I think that is right? Yeah. So then we come to question 19. In the diagram, ABC is a straight line, AD is parallel to CE, and angle ABD is 75 degrees, and angle BDC is 30 degrees. Here we are being asked to find this angle. All right, this angle. Let's find this angle here. DC, and what? This angle here. This is the angle that they want you to find. So to find this angle, it must be an easy task. To find this angle, it must be an easy task. All right, so what we first of all need to know is of the number of methods that we can, there are actually 2 methods that I have thought of that we can easily use here. So maybe I should present both methods to you. So the first one is where you know that this angle here, okay? If we get this angle here, let me do this. If you get this angle here, this is 30. This angle here is 105. Okay, this is B here. Since we have 75 this side, then this angle here is 105, because 2 angles on a straight line must add up to 180. So this angle here is 105. So then to find this angle that we want, we could just add this and that to have 135. And then because the 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180, then we can subtract this from 180 and see what we'll get here. So this will be 5, and then this will be 25 here. All right, this is going to be 25. Do you get that? Do you get that? Yeah, so this is going to be 25 degrees. So this is one method. Then the second method now is where, because we're given parallel lines here, so somehow, somewhere we need to use them. So for parallel lines, we could be looking at alternate angles. This angle here is 30 degrees. Then it means that this angle here also is 30 degrees. But the whole angle here is 75 because of that 75. So if this is 30 degrees, and what I want is, am I right on what I'm doing? Just a minute. No, sorry. This is 45, not T, sorry about that. This is 45 here. I made that mistake. Please take note of that. This is 45. Yeah. Really sorry about that. This is 45. Then, so now, you have a situation where if this is 30 here, then obviously this is supposed to be 45, so that when you add the two of them, they should give you 45. I mean, they should give you 75. So this angle here is equals to 45. I'm sorry about the subtraction error that I had committed here. Okay, so basically this is the answer here. So that is what we need to know in the case of this one. Can we do another one? Okay, so we go to question 20. A businessman borrowed 5,000 from a bank at the interest of 10% per annum, simple interest. Find time in years it took for him to pay 2,000 interest. Okay, so you need to know that here, this is simple interest where we use this formula here. Okay, so what is our P? Our P is the principal. Our interest has been given as 2,000. Our rate is what? Is 2,000. Our rate is 10%. So what we are looking for here is T. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? So this is the 2,000 interest. The principal is 5,000. This is given as 10. Then here we are looking for this T. Then here we have the 100. Okay, so we need just to simplify this by maintaining the 2,000 this side. Then I've got 2 zeros here, so I'll knock out the 2 zeros on top there. So meaning I'll end up with what? 5,000, or no, just 500 T. And here I divide by 500. I also divide this side by 500. So my T, what is it that it will become? It will be 4 years. Okay, I hope this is understood. Okay, so I stopped making very long videos. I'm going to do another video for these other questions. Some people complained that the videos don't need to be too long. Yeah, so I thought maybe it would be nice. But if you like, already I could give you question 21 and question 22. You can try them and see what your answers would be, so that by the time we are meeting, we can compare our answers. Thank you.